Hey, let's get something straight. There's a lot of misinformation right now about this whole buy down program. Now, I've been in lending for 20 years and I just want to clarify a few things so that we're all on the same page, okay? There's two different types of buy downs, right? There's the traditional buy down that any borrower can pay to lower their interest rate for the life of the loan. But the buy down that everybody's talking about right now on social media is called a 2-1 buy down. And what that means is that a seller, and only a seller, can actually incentivize a buyer by paying upfront to lower their interest rate by 2% for the first year and 1% for the second year. On the third year, the interest rate goes back to the normal note rate. Now, this is a great option because it allows the seller to not have to really negotiate on price and lower the price point. So let's say somebody qualifies for a 6.875% interest rate today. They can get a 4.875 interest rate for the first year. In the second year, it would go up to a 5.875. And then on the third year, it goes back to normal. Now, on a $500,000 loan, give or take, the cost to the seller on this is about $12,000, and it helps them incentivize buyers without having to negotiate on price. So I hope this clarifies some information, and if you want to know more about this and get into more detail, feel free to reach out to me. This is something that we're offering now in-house as a lender and also as a broker, and we're even partnering with agents to show them how to properly market this and how to come up with creative ways to help their sellers cover some of the costs. If you like this type of content, make sure to follow us on our channel.